Hey everybody, this is Ken with XMods Gaming, shooting another video, as always. So this video is going to be about the Xbox 360, and if you have a DVD drive that does not open, it likes to stick or get stuck, and I'll show you a trick on how to remedy this. This has kind of been on the internet for a while, but not a whole lot of videos with it, and with this console getting older and older every day, you might eventually run into this problem if you try to go and play some of your old games. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So right here, this door was getting stuck. So if you have that situation where it's, see, so it's getting stuck right there. So once you get it out, you might have to move the faceplate or take the faceplate off. Maybe it, causes a little bit of drag right there. But what you want to do is take some tweezers, and then you see that belt right in there? You want to go in here and take this belt out. Okay, almost lost it. And that's why I'm filming this, because it's kind of hard to get on camera. So right now I'm just laying on my floor. And so right now I'm just spinning it, which you don't want to do. And if you lose that in there, then you're not going to get it out. So yeah, I'll get some better tweezers. Okay, so I found some better tweezers. So these are the, got these on eBay with like a soldering kit. I think I got thermal paste on them, but yeah, these are, yeah, Dell cast, I don't know. But they have a curved hook on them. So I'm not saying, I haven't even tried this yet, so we'll see if it works. But you want to get in there. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to loosen the belt out. Now you're going to take that and see how dirty it is and gummy it is. So you're going to want to wash it. So, and then what I would do, because now it's blinking, so I think it's trying to eject and all that. So just go ahead and power it off. So it's gonna try to eject, and then wash it with soap and water. And then once it's clean, then go ahead and reinsert it same way you took it out. And then if it's like really worn, if you see cuts or tears in it or something like that, then you're probably gonna have to find another belt, or you're probably better off finding like an old Xbox 360 that has that's either red ringed Xbox. This one doesn't have the red ring problem because it's a Jasper model. So I bought this one back in 09. But yeah, so I'm gonna wash this, reinsert it, and then I'm gonna cut the video here, so it should eject properly and all that now after when I wash it. So this drive's pretty dirty, as you can, let's see if we get in there. Yeah, look, wow. I didn't think it was that bad, but all right. Well, until next time.